Okay, to do Format Painter, it's really simple. And outside of Word, or excuse me, SAM, if you hold down the control, you can mark each one, but it seems like you can't. For some reason, it's not allowing us to do that in SAM. Or when I tried it, it wouldn't allow me. So, just like it says, working from top to bottom, use Format Painter to copy the heading style once. So just hit here, and Format Painter, then Tuesday. See, and if you do the control, each one, it won't let you do it here in SAM, but if you did it outside of SAM, you could hold down the control button. You wouldn't have to do it each time. Okay. So that's how you do the Format Painter. It's really kind of a unique little tool. And I think it said extracurricular activities. So there you go. All right. Hey, good luck.